Okay, we're going. I'm just going to show you quickly in a build server. So I've just set up a little area. Oops. Oh shit. So this is the basic setup. You need a solar panel, battery, couple of furnaces, and a box. First thing is electrical. So as you know, solar panel, battery, and then you want to go. So for the industrial converter you need this thing, so we'll put this on the wall, throw this down. That has a pass-through, so some items have electrical pass-throughs and some don't. So we're going to go into power in, then out of the pass-through, take that to the wall, and then, where's my splitter? Need a splitter, that on the wall, power in, so power's going through the splitter, and then you can put like lights as well, have a pass through so you can just run them daisy chain one after the other, and then splitter. First one, second one, so you can have up to 3 running off this. If you want more than that, then you have to use what they call branch, electrical branch, which lets you separate off specific amount of power. So that's all powered, that's already done. Now we go to this one for the plumbing. So first we need this storage adapter, one in the box, one there, one there, and then just link it all together in a loop. So output, so input, input, output, input. So now we've got a loop, and we just turn on, and then we need some ore, which we can get here. Sweet, so throw that in, and you'll see this number go down, and these will start to go. So it's just going through a loop, and you can put the industrial conveyor before or after the furnaces, doesn't matter, it just has to be somewhere in the loop. So it's coming out of the box, around in the circle, and you can see it in there. Simple. It is kind of. And what that might look like in a real base is this. So we've got solar panel on the roof. So in a honeycomb on a shelf you can actually fit 3 furnaces with adapters. So I've got the power first, power comes in here, down to the battery. Then from the battery it goes to this branch, which I'm going to configure and type in 9, because each furnace uses 3 power, so I've got 3, so I need 9. So that 9 will branch out. It's 9 that goes into the splitter, which splits in 3 ways, 3 lots of 3. And then the rest of the power, whatever's left over, comes out, power out of that one. I've just got that going into the conveyor and then pass through to the light. Power, and then the industrial, same thing, it's just a big loop. This time it looks a bit more complicated up there, but it just goes from one to the other. And that's all you need. Have fun.